Everyone, hey, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where today I've been asked to clean the glass on this wood stove by my wife. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So first, I'm going to start with some old newspaper. Just a sheet or two is all I need. I'm going to rip off a page. I'm going to set that page under the spigot, get it just a little wet, not soaking, just a little wet. Then I'm going to dip that into the ashes in the wood stove. So I've got sort of a ashy, wet, clumpy ball of newspaper. And then all I'm going to do is use that to scrub the inside of the glass. And as I scrub, the abrasiveness of the ashes is enough to clean off that glass. I might have to do this a couple times. It might take a little bit of elbow grease, but not a big deal. And then it's done. Easy as can be. And that's all there is to it. Hope that helps somebody.